Hello students, I am Santosh Kumar Singh, your subject teacher of biology. Please stay at home and stay healthy. Today we will start the new topic, that is tonicity. This is the third video of your first chapter. What is the osmosis? Osmosis, you know there are example why resin swell up in water, why grapes are shrinkage in sugar solution. So lots of questions are raising in our mind. So let's start. What is osmosis? Osmosis always occurs in liquid medium only. It involves movement of solvent molecules only, and there is semi-permeable membrane is required. The definition of osmosis is the transfer of water molecule from higher concentration to lower concentration of water. This is the example of resin. When we put the dry resin in water, after some time they become swell up. So it is endoosmosis. And when these swell up resin we put in sugar solution, they become shrink. That is exoosmosis. Another example, when we put a cup of peeled potato in water, there is no osmosis takes place because the water concentration outside and inside is equivalent. But when we put the sugar or salt in that cup, the water comes inside the potato. Let's start a new video. You learn about the tonicity. It will help to understand about the tonicity. As you all know that what is the solution and their component. So you know very well that there is solvent, solute and solution. What is the solvent? The substance in which we mix the solute, that is, and it forms the solution. For example, if we take the salt, it is a solute and the water is solvent, and when we put inside the water and it mix in water, then it become solution. So you understand very well that what is the solvent, solute and solution. Now the next topic is tonicity. The concentration of solution inside, outside, that is called tonicity. Concentration of water is called tonicity. So let's start the topic tonicity. The first topic is hypotonic. The word hypo represents to low. When the concentration of water is low inside the cell and when it put in water, it absorbs inside. It means there is endoosmosis takes place. Similarly, when we put a resin inside the water, it absorbs the water from outside through a layer. This process is called hypotonic and the water is called hypotonic solution. When the concentration is outside and inside, there is equal concentration inside and outside, that is called isotonic solution. For example, the cell, when we put in water which have equal solution, there is no transfer of moment takes place between them. So this process is called isotonic, and the medium is called isotonic solution. Next one, the hypertonic solution. Hypertonic. Hyper means high. When we put a cell of that medium which have more concentration, then what happened? The water which present in the cell will comes out. That is called hypertonic, and that solution is called hypertonic solution. Similarly, the grapes, when we put in sugar solution, the water which is inside the grapes which will come out outside. This type of solution, higher concentration of solution, is called hypertonic solution. So through this activity you have understand the topic tonicity, and the observation, it shows the observation or experiment about the osmosis. So the osmosis is differentiated in two parts, that is isotonic solution, hypotonic solution, and hypertonic solution. What is the diffusion? Diffusion is transfer of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration. It has no any medium is required. For example, when we put a gas cylinder in an open area and we open the knob of the cylinder, the gas comes out and spread outside equally. This is called diffusion. Diffusion, it occurs in any medium. It has no any semi-permeable membrane required, and the transfer of molecules are transfer from higher concentration to lower concentration. So you have understand about the topic very well.